Hey guys, you already know it's your girl Dev from Lashes by Dev. Follow my Instagram. Also like, subscribe, and comment on my page. Today I'm going to be showing you how I fan. Starting off, I have my Cami Nugan volume tweezers. I absolutely love her tweezers. She makes great tweezers. They have helped me to learn how to fan. These are great for pinching, which is my favorite method. So yeah. Then I have my knockout glue from GETLASHEDLA. This is a great glue. I do think it is beginner friendly. It has great retention. This is like the blooming technique. So I love to use LASHBOX LA lashes because they are not fast fanning. They are regular volume lashes, but when you dip them in glue, they just bloom and kind of fan for you if done correctly. So hard to show you guys, my camera really sucks. Also ignore my nails. I know they look dirty, but I actually had some pigment go into my nails since I'm practicing ombre brows. So yeah. I personally don't use this technique a lot, but it is really beginner friendly. As you can see, that fan is just looking amazing. My favorite technique is just pinching, but I wanted to show you guys this one so you have options. And yeah, as you can see, that fan is super wide and beautiful. Here I'm just going to show you my favorite technique, which is pinching. I think I love this one so much because I work a lot with short lengths, and I feel like I can just always get the perfect fan when pinching. I'm so mad that my camera sucks, but my fans are so pretty. I'm not doing anything special when I move to the side. I'm just dipping the fan in my glue ring. I like glue rings because I feel like they help me to move faster and the glue lasts longer than a glue dot. Alright guys, so for pinching, really the pressure and how to pinch is all in the finger. So you're going to want to just figure out what pressure you need in your fingertips, where it's a lot. I usually use a lot, and then I hold my tweezer loosely so that the lashes can spread and make a fan. I also like to brush my lashes in case I feel like they're stuck together. And for this last method, I'm just going to show you how to use the blooming cup. Also beginner friendly. I don't really do this, but if you're having trouble making fans, then this is a great option for you. Thank you guys for watching my video. I appreciate it. Subscribe, like, and comment.